Gary from Tomball has a question about bug-proofing his bathroom.
Yeah, he's remodeling their master bathroom. And Gary writes, there are 2 secondary drain holes around the PVC pipe drains leading directly to soil. You can see dirt down there. And there seems to be, to him, a potential termite entrance to the house. A pest control inspector advised using a quick-setting concrete at the bottom of each hole as minimal thickness, just to kind of block it off. So, Tom, Gary wants to know if that makes sense or just leave it be.
No, if you want to fill it with concrete, the quick setting is fine, or sandcrete. I'm not sure how big the holes are. If it's real tiny, then I would use a sandcrete because there's no rocks in it. And what it'll do is it'll get in the fine areas and really fill it up.
Just kind of spread in there?
Yeah, put it in there and spread if you want to do that, because that is a potential place where termites can get in. There's no doubt about it. When I was building actively, they had these screens that we would put in before we poured the concrete that would wrap all around the pipes and stuff that the termites couldn't get through. But after the fact, it's pretty hard to use that. So if sandcrete will work, I'm good with it.
There you go. You know this will work. If you got a question, send it to us. Go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.